from Justice.
Open it up. Let's see. Why? What is it?
Another thing from Justice.
He knows that's your favorite
What is
store.
Yeah, I'll say.
Mama, what's this?
Read it. I don't know. Oh, 3D glitter glue tubes
Another skinny
for
pin.
art.
Another pair of
Imaginarium.
I like that one. Art stuff.
Great.
Mommy, look at
That's
another
what
pair
you
of skinny
need.
jeans.
Another pair of skinny jeans? Oh, those are nice. Look at the pocket.
I know.
Those are
Okay,
cute.
now. That's why I asked for skinny jeans. Because I'm growing out of them.
I know. You only had a couple pairs, huh?
Too airy.
You sure?
Because that's my pile.
Okay, open it up.
I don't have. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 left.
Oh, you must be opening
You
things.
were
Mom,
busy.
I think I got rollerblades. 5.
Knee
Oh,
pads
that's
for your scooter, huh?
I know. That's the
Scooter.
same thing I have. Yeah.
It's the same thing?
Yeah. But Bella's came with rollerblades.
Oh.
Oh, okay. What's the mark on it?
Well, she didn't have those anyhow for your scooter, did
I
you?
put those on my wish list.
You
And
did?
Mama, I didn't even get to put my wish list in the North Pole, and I didn't even put it anywhere.
That doesn't
Oh,
matter.
Santa knows because
Probably.
he can see.
Mika.
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 Mika took
Mika
it.
was
Mika.
here.
Candy sent pencils.
Oh, neat.
Oh.
Mika heard.
Lentils. They smell good?
Mika
Well, they smell like
knew.
that. Mika knew.
They smell. They smell good?
Bubblegum. Mint. I'm opening this
Oh.
one. Centos.
Well, look and see who
Santos.
it's from.